Alright, let's dive into this interesting problem. So, the issue at hand is dealing with a file, particularly a host file, that contains a flag line. The goal is to remove any blank lines occurring just before the flag line. This scenario arises from scripts that add and remove lines before the flag line, possibly leaving behind unwanted blank lines. The desired outcome is to tidy up the file by getting rid of those unnecessary blank lines before the flag line. We're looking for a solution using text manipulation tools like sed to achieve this, with a preference for in-place editing. Now, let's talk about the solution provided to tackle this problem. The sed script revolves around a loop marked by load that concatenates lines in the pattern space as long as they are considered empty, consisting of spaces, tabs, or line breaks. Once a non-empty line is encountered or the input ends, the loop stops. The line containing hashtag in a dynamic section is the key point where any preceding empty lines are removed, but only if it's not the sole line in the loaded content. This sed command effectively handles the task of eliminating unwanted blank lines before the specified flag line. To summarize, we've explored a neat solution using sed to clean up a host file by removing blank lines preceding a designated flag line. By understanding the provided sed script and its functionalities, you can efficiently address similar issues in your text files. So, with that, I hope this solution helps you in your text manipulation endeavors. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep scripting and happy text editing.